For that first fire up, we'll see what happens. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. We're gonna try to fire this thing up. We gotta put some fluids, some oil, transmission fluid, some coolant, spark plugs, wires, just the small stuff. It's really all that's left. We got all the fuel lines on yesterday, so man, I hope we get this thing started up. But we'll go through and show you what we gotta do to get this thing started up. Alright, there's the list of stuff we need to do before we can really start it up. Like I said, oil, trans fluid, coolants, fuel system leak, transcooler lines, coolant line to radiator, brake booster, vacuum line, intake pipe and works still on that still. Brake switch, just a few things, but you know, we're gonna get it all in there and hopefully we get this thing fired up. Like I said earlier in the intro, but you just never know, sometimes something might happen, but we're gonna try hard. So y'all follow along and we'll get to it. Alright, there's the oil. Highly recommend 6 quarts for the pan, so that's what we got. So we'll get the oil put in there and then, you know, we'll be on to the next thing. We're gonna put it right there. It says 5W30, but you put 10W30, it'll be alright. Alright, so we're gonna check the oil level now that we got the oil in it. So clean my stick up, run down in here. You know. Oh baby, she got some oil in it. It's time to make some, ready to make some power. Y'all see it. But next thing we're gonna do is put spark plug wires on. We are gonna leave spark plugs out so we can turn the motor over and put some oil on the top of the motor. And then we're definitely gonna put some coolant in it, trans fluids, just check a couple things and punch a quick baseline tune in and we'll get ready to fire this thing up. All right, so one of the next things we gotta do, some tranny fluid. So we're gonna get that put in there. I believe my tranny fluid's over here on the other side of the car. Got some O'Reilly's. It's Dexton 3 replacement. I think it takes about 7 quarts, so we're gonna get it put in there.
At least I'm gonna zip tie some of these wires and stuff back to the frame, so he can come back later and clean it up, put clamps on it, because I don't have the clamps to it.
Alright, next step is to get the coolant poured in there, so we're gonna get on that right quick. Alright, so one of those things you gotta do is you gotta test the coils when you're doing these things. So we're testing the coils with the Mega Squirt.
What's the next one?
We're on the 4th one, right?
Yep. So 1, 8, 7. What's the next one?
So what I'll do is he's out there in the motor. And I'll sit right here. Hit the start button when he tells me to. It's right there. This stuff's complex, but it's so cool.
Alright, go. Not good. Good.
Another one down. We checked all those.
All right,
Got pressure over there. We're good to go on the fuel system. So we got to put some temporary exhaust on the car just to get it to the muffler shop. So my brother's under there welding. Let me show y'all that. I can get it turned around. Check him out. He's getting after it. It's so cool. I'm getting the ghetto exhaust on.
in it. Let's do it.
All right.
Watch the oil pressure gauge.
It's time for that first fire up. We'll see what happens. Fired up first try. Heck yeah. You see the oil pressure? Oh, baby. Gotta know how happy this makes me. Oh, yeah.
Stop, don't mess with it.
Yes. All the gauges are working. Oh, son. Alright. Well, we're going to mess with the tune a little bit. I'll probably drive it in the next video, so we'll catch y'all in the next video.